Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. May minuto di isang gana kong spring roll Shanghai. This is my see my ground meat in spring onion is already there. My garlic is here. This is my onion and carrot. I put all the onion and the garlic here because I need to grind it small. And I mix it all in the bowl. Season it with salt and black pepper. Also together with the carrot need to grind in the hand this grinder. Small bullet. This is hand grinder because I grind it using the hand, not electric or After I season this, I need to wrap it. This is my wrapper. Spring roll wrapper. They don't have the the brand that I always buy. I can mix it all in one bowl and then just season it. Just wrap it after season. And then today I'm gonna cook corn soup together with because this is dry. This is my menu today. This is high protein. The carrot vegetable is good for skin health, eye health. And I just grind this using my hand. It's like hand mixer. Wow, I cannot mix it all the vegetables here. My garlic, onion, and carrot is here. Nearly guys, it's over now. Happy Friday, happy weekend, happy weekend. Good morning. I'm gonna make a spring roll Shanghai.
Shanghai?
Yeah, you want to eat breakfast croissant?
What do we have?
Only croissant we have. We don't have snake there. You gonna eat now? You want Milo? Like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.